y'all doing? It's Diane from Two Girls Treasure in Florence, South Carolina. What you're looking at is a fabulous old box. I love old wooden boxes. This one is especially neat. It needs a little bit of work to it. But look at those cute little feet. This is so homemade. This is so homemade, and it's so old. And yes, I could have left it alone, but it has some construction issues, and so I felt like to give it the best that we could, that we would just doll it up. I'm going to mix a little bit of Saltwash with a little bit of Rethunk Junk Hazelnut. Look at that little chocolate milk goodness in there. So let's add our Saltwash. I love a paint texturizer. There are so many different ways I have heard that you can actually add texture to what you're working on. But I have found by experimenting, by trial and error, that this is by far the easiest and the most effective way for me to texturize a piece. Now I am going to finish putting this on. I want a good layer on the top, especially on this front edge. The beauty of a salt wash texture is that it gives you the aging right where you know something would be aged the most. Let's let this dry. It is doing a good job. The beauty of your Rethunk Junk paints is the dry time is amazing. I will probably just sand this back, let some of our hazelnut show underneath it, lay down our Floral Anthology page 1, a new chapter in Iron Orchid Designs, and then I will add some accents to it.